Hey Subbies, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, welcome. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, what's up? I'm back in the room. Y'all, today I'm reacting to Pop the Balloon, Find Love. Well, it's Pop the Balloon or Find Love. For starters, I want to know, would y'all ever go on Pop the Balloon? If I were to host a Pop the Balloon and credit the originator, would y'all come to where I am and I host a Pop the Balloons, but we put like a little chaotic twist to it? I don't know. I'd have to cook something up, but I guess comment down below. We could do a virtual Pop the Balloons on Zoom. Subbies, I want to see y'all in the comments, okay? Need to see y'all in the comments, y'all. We almost at the freaking giveaway, which is really freaking super duper exciting. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this video is not the lady that does it. It's some guy kicking it with 2 coats. So shout out to you. It got a lot of views, so I'm gonna assume that it's funny. Okay, I like the outfit. She got a pretty face. Okay. She's cute. I love her hair. I'm about to pause this, y'all. Why I feel like I am doing something wrong. I haven't reacted to a video in a freaking while, so this feels new to me. But I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. You know what? Everybody look like they going to different places. Hey, girl. Oh, okay. She did not come to play. Brooklyn representing. Your favorite homegirl. Who do it better than Jingles? She gotta be an exotic dancer.
Yo, what's poppin', man? Welcome to another episode of Pop the Balloon to Find Love. If y'all know it, look a little familiar here. We is back in Atlanta. Atlanta, make some noise! Yo,
Now
I know
they
y'all
got
ready
an
to get
actual
into
crowd
today's
in the
new episode,
audience.
but before some noise for our first gentleman. Come on now. For real!
I'm gonna have to get the hell out of this. Why are we playing music? Oh. What he just throw on the ground?
Come in right here. All the way right here, brother. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, give me your name and age and what you do for a living.
My name is Omar, and today is actually my birthday, and I am 39 years old.
Okay, then.
Happy birthday!
Okay, then. All right.
Happy birthday!
Landscaping and Uber, and
You already know that. Look, I ain't even got to ask you what you do for a living. Go ahead, then. Go ahead.
And I also
Damn, 3 jobs.
Okay, then. Yeah. Okay. And what you looking for in a woman, though?
I'm trying to
I'm looking for some peace, some honesty, and some loyalty. That's it.
Okay, then. All right, then. Well, it was no pop balloons based off of that. So, ladies, y'all heard it, man. Go ahead and reveal yourselves. Okay. There we go. There. Okay. It start. There we go. Let's just go down here and see what's the reason she popped her balloon. How you stand right here for me, brother? Name and age, and what's the reason you popped?
My name is Alanis. I'm 22, and he just too old for me. He looked too old.
Okay. So if he didn't look too old, if he was a little younger, then.
Yeah, he looked.
She 22 though.
Okay. All right. Would you date younger or like?
My
Yeah, he could
youngest
pass
ever
for about a
dated
50.
is like 30. So yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
For sure.
Oh.
And we had a pop balloon down here
22,
as
boy.
well.
She 22.
Go ahead and give me your name and age, and what's the reason you popped?
Yes, my name is Chanel, and I'm 36 years old, and it's just not my type. That's all.
That's fine. No problem. Everybody got a type, so that's cool. Totally.
Yeah. This somebody your type?
She is. Yeah. She definitely my type. Yeah.
Okay, then. Yeah.
I'm from Guyana, so you look like you're from Guyana. Yeah.
Okay.
Guyana, South America.
I was about to say he is not black.
No doubt. All right, then. All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're just gonna jump to the first round then, bro. I'm gonna have you come in for me. So the first round, we're gonna have you allow you to ask these ladies one question. Wanna ask them all one question different or the same?
One question.
Which one ask them?
What do you value the most in a relationship?
Okay, all right. And when I come to y'all, just make sure y'all get y'all name and age and then answer the question. I'm having to come right here from bro.
Shika, 29, and in a relationship, what I value the most is quality communication and honesty.
Okay, yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Okay, and right here as well.
Akia, 31. I value in a relationship communication for sure, but also,
Ooh.
It was an accident. It was an accident. She was,
What is going on?
but also someone who shares the same kind of mindset in terms of like a relationship with God leading. So that's big for me, and also a person who
Gotta
is
lead with
patient.
the Lord. I know that's right.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
I'm not
All right,
patient.
all right. You did
I get pissed
accidentally pop your
off with the
balloon, but we
quickness,
gonna I'm gonna have you stand right here. We gonna get you another balloon. All right, yeah, there we go. In the meantime, we gonna pretend like you got it right now. But you go ahead, name and age, and answer your question.
My name is Farrah.
It's
I'm
just
33
very
years old.
unorganized.
Can
He
you
don't
repeat the
he don't
question?
have
What do
no
you value
presence
most
to
in a
be doing
relationship?
this. I'm not gonna lie. He pissing me off.
What I value most in a
So far,
relationship is
I'm 7 minutes in,
communication.
and this is boring as f-
You can't do it. I can't. You are stressing me to hell. I can't. I'm done.
In the meantime, we gonna pretend like you got it right now. But you go ahead, name and age, and answer your question.
My name is Farrah. I'm 33 years old. Can you repeat the question? I'm sorry.
What do you value the most in a relationship?
What I value most in a relationship is
money. Give me that money.
Yeah, same for me.
And right here as well.
Communicate and tell me that you're giving me money.
Marlena, 49. I value love.
Love, okay.
All right.
I'm Penny, 29. I value a man of God.
Wow.
I value a man that has authenticity and who could take accountability.
All right, sounds good.
Hi,
Okay,
I'm Jingles. I'm
Pennywise.
40 plus,
Okay.
and I
Jingle.
value a
We
person
got
who
Pennywise.
can stand
We
for
got
what they
Jingles.
say and not just say something and do something else. I like actions.
Okay, sounds good.
All right then, bro. Based off of those, you
seem
still
a
ain't
little
got
scared.
no pop. So you got your 2 pick.
Yes, I do.
I would pop
Okay,
Pennywise.
so I'm just gonna
I
have
would
you pop 2 balloons
Jingles,
based off those answers.
and I would pop blue dress, blueberry,
Compare.
blueberry. Jingles, really?
And I will just.
Damn.
So what's the reason you pop her balloon? Come in from me a little bit.
Reason why I pop is because I like a little darker complexion. So.
You like what?
Yeah, I like a little darker complexion.
Okay.
So. Yeah. So that's pretty much it.
What's the reason you left your balloon unpopped?
Where my dark queens at?
I was trying to figure him out
Ooh.
as far as like if he was someone I would date or not. And so I was just waiting for that to, like, I was trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
So I was just giving him time to grow on me.
No doubt. Right? Okay then, I like that. I like that. That's yeah, I like that. Okay, you got a pop balloon right there.
Personally, I would go on a show like this.
Pop her balloon.
You said you're 40 plus, so I I would just like you to just say the number, like just be proud of your age and just say it. You know what I mean? Like that's pretty much it. Transparency. Yeah.
Yep. Y'all, Bella is out there.
What's your take on that?
I was gonna pop it anyway, but I was just wanting to see what you were gonna say, just hear you out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Okay, all right then.
I would go
Okay,
pop
and
anyway.
she popped her balloon
Like,
up top as
girl,
well.
speak like
what's
an
the reason you
adult.
popped?
The reason why I popped is I think you're very handsome. I just don't think that you're my type.
Okay, that sounds good. I mean, no problem.
Was this
Okay, she
somebody
got
else?
the predator
yeah,
braid
she's very
in.
pretty,
Don't play with her. Not
yeah, very
blueberry
attractive.
just
She's my type.
popped.
Okay, all right then. All right, we just had another balloon pop right here as well. What's the reason you just popped?
Well, Pennywise finna get her man.
All right.
Dang.
All of us.
You said okay, so all right. This somebody your type though?
Yeah,
What's
she's
up?
pretty cool. She seems like a good person.
All right,
She's
all right.
pretty
What's the
cool.
reason you just y'all going slow
That
motion
don't
with
mean
that?
she your
What's the
type. You
reason
being
popped?
nice.
Just not my type.
Okay, not your type. Okay,
Bro.
all right. You know,
Why
nothing
y'all
specific
just
about
not
him ain't
popping
your
if he
type.
not y'all type?
Just
I might see something better.
Okay.
That's
What did she say?
What?
well, honestly, like she's the one that I actually was going for. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me on the lineup. So I wanted
So
her.
you saying everybody?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So I'm assuming that's your type then.
that is the one I was going for. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yep.
Okay. Now let's go down here. I mean, you popped because he said that's what he wanted, basically.
Yeah. Okay. So I held my I held my balloon as long as I did because we all agreed to have respect tonight and hear people out. You are not my typical type, but you seem genuine. And you have pretty white teeth, so I could tell like you take care of your hygiene. But I was going to pop, but I wanted to hear you out. I didn't even notice I was the last balloon standing, or I would have been, But yeah, you're cool.
Yeah.
So I hope you find love.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just unfortunately, bro, it just won't be here tonight. You pop your balloon too. You already said your reason, right? All right.
Okay, yeah.
We covered everybody. Okay. Unfortunately, bro, we ain't able to find let it down, cook it too cold. But we do wish you the best in your future endeavors, and we're gonna holler at you at the end. Let me go ahead and get them. Y'all make some noise.
August, I'm here to save you. The worst popped the balloon. He lost. What is he wearing? And then what's up with the
Go ahead,
DJ?
give your name and age and what you do for a living.
My name is Anthony. I'm 31 and I'm a real estate investor.
Okay, all right then. What you looking for in a woman or a relationship?
I'm looking for a godly woman.
I thought he was about to say a
A
guy.
woman that's ambitious. A woman that can help inspire me. A woman that is willing to heal and grow.
Hey, amen to that, but I tell you. Okay then. What's some deal breakers for you?
Damn.
Can't cook.
Oh. Raise your hand
Not
if you
open to
can't
letting me
cook.
Not open.
I can. I get down in the kitchen.
Yeah, just not ambitious. Like if she's not trying to build towards something bigger, it's gonna unmotivate me to be like, I can't be with you.
For sure. Nice little 3-piece right there. So, all right, no ladies pop their balloons. So actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm just go ahead and have you pop 2 balloons just based off what you see right now before they even reveal themselves.
You can't even see their faces.
Yeah, you got the toothpick. You ain't got the toothpick. God,
that's dumb.
This is supposed to be a smooth transition right here, man.
Oh, brother.
Let me get your toothpick right here. You got your toothpick? Let me use yours real quick.
No.
Oh, we got one. All right, here you go. I'll get to you back. Here you go. All right, go ahead. 2 of them. 2 of them. 2. Just on top. Real quick.
Like he can't even see their faces. Now he going for Jingles.
Okay then.
And Blueberry. Nah, he going for Brooklyn. Oh.
Now I'm not gonna have y'all all reveal y'all balloons. Reveal yourselves. Let's just have these ladies that got their balloons pop take their blindfolds off.
See, this is so uncoordinated.
There we go. No, the ladies that had.
Okay, Subbies, your girl was not messing with this pop the balloon or find love at all. I do not like this one. I won't even react to any more of his videos because he is just give me the ick. The women, they were beautiful. What only made it 41 minutes in. The video is way 2 hours long. That's crazy. No, you ain't getting that much watch time out of me. But let me know in the comments, would y'all have chosen one of these guys? And then what did y'all think of the women? Because Pennywise was pissing me off, and so was Jingles. Jingles, this not the WWE wrestling tournament tryouts, okay? So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so y'all know when your girl posts. Bye. Ugh, why am I waving like? That's not how you wave. Oh my gosh.